when you come to the process, you are starting to work on the shadow. Shadow is everything you don't like about yourself, about other people, and about life. One big shadow we have is the shadow with our parents, because all of us, we've been hurt by our parents. And to look at this shadow is very difficult, because there is every child build up an ideal parent. Even if he gets hurt, he has to tell himself that the parent is good, because if he tells the truth that the parent is bad, it's going to make risk of the relationship with the parent. So when a person comes to the path of love and he look to the shadow, most of the time what happens is start to emerge the shadow of relationship with the parents. And in the process they have the possibility to acknowledge this, to express in this, to liberate themselves this. And when you do that, what happens is start to emerge the good parents, and start to emerge the good quality mother that you have, the good relationship that you have with your father. The negative cover the goodness, you know. So letting go the negative is start to make emerge the goodness of the what happened between you and your mother, you and your father. It's not rare that people after the process they feel much more in love with their parents.